Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today we are going to learn a new letter from the Arabic alphabet. It's the special and beautiful letter Dha. The letter is Dha, Dha, Dha. Okay. Let's start our lesson step by step. At the first, the name we have said it Dha, Dha. Okay. And the sound we will going to learning when we learning about the articulation of the letter Dha. But we will repeat it. We will repeat all the letters together in the first. This is the letter Alif. Alif, Ba, Ta, Tha, Jim, Ha, Kha, Dal, Zal, Ra, Zay, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha. Okay. The articulation of the letter Dha. The articulation is from this point. The sound comes from this point here, or I mean that the tip of the tongue in this point here is placed against the upper front teeth. We should know that the tongue should not stick out too much and should not be pulled too far inside. The sound should come out clearly. The sound is L. Say with me, repeat with me. L, L, L. The letter Dha is the heavy letter. It's emphatic and heavy letter. It's not lightly. It's not a lightly letter or soft letter. That means the sound comes from the throat here, and the sound is constricted between the tongue and the roof of the mouth. This is called itbaq. Like in the word al-dhulumat, darkness, al-dhulumat in Arabic, dhulumat, and dhil. We have said that the letter Dha is never pronounced lightly, even when it has a kasra, because it's an emphatic letter and is not affected by the kasra. If it is pronounced lightly, it may sound like dhal, idh, which is incorrect. The form of the letter Dha at the beginning of the word, at the middle of a word, and at the end, connected or not connected. Like dhalam, Dha is connected with lam. Midalla, Dha is connected with mim and lam. Istayqadha, waked up, it's like connected with qaf. Mahfuz, it's like not connected at the end of a word. Okay. Now we are going to the exercises. We see here at the first we have learned yet. Now that the letter Dha at the beginning have only one hand, in the middle two hands, at the end of a word connected one hand, and Mahfuz not connected without hands. Now we are going to the exercises. We are searching or finding the letter Dha here. This is the letter Dha. This is Ta, Sin. This is Dha. Ta, Zay, Shin, Sad, Dad, Shin, Dha. Ta, Dha. Ta, Zay, Sin, Dad, Dha. This is Dha too. And this is Dha. Okay. And this is the big Ta in the middle. Now we will learning about how to write the letter Dha. At the beginning, in the middle, and at the end, connected and not connected. It's the same. But you should write with me, please. You should have a pen and paper. At the beginning of a word, we are starting from this point here, and we are drawing this oval shape, and after that to the left and the line, and after that the dot, like this. At the middle of a word, we start writing from right here, this or until here, and after that the oval shape, and after that the line, and after that the dot. I will write only these two forms, because at the end of a word, connected and not connected, they are same. Okay, it's like this. So thank you, well done, and see you in the next lesson with a new Arabic letter. Please subscribe and share our video to show another people that they are learning the Arabic letter. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.